Hello everyone, my name is Dhairya Salla and I'm the proud second runner-up of Miss UAE International that took place last year in November. As a child, I've always been really keen to be on the stage, be it as an actor, a model, or to even walk the ramp. But I never really had the right medium to achieve these dreams. So when this opportunity came to me, I knew this was the perfect way for me to turn my dreams into my reality. And so I charged in head first into my very first pageant, just with the expectation of gaining experience. Because I knew that in those 3 days of training, I was going to be imparted such valuable knowledge from those amazing trainers, which would be not, just limited to the pageant, but would also be really helpful to me in many other areas and aspects of life. And so you can imagine my shock when I was crowned as the second runner up, alongside being crowned as the Miss Shining Star of the event. And honestly, the first people that I ever thought about at that moment were my parents. Because I knew that they are my number one supporters. They've always been there for me since day one. This opportunity came to me during my finals. Yet they were the ones who told me, you know what, Dhairya, we believe in you. We know you can balance your passion and your academics. Go do it. And so I did. But another very important person that I would like to express my gratitude towards is Mrs. Meena Asrani, the founder of Being Muskan Events and the beautiful lady who pushed me to embark on this beautiful journey. And as they say, it's not about the journey, it's about the memories you make and the things you learn. So, here I stand in front of you with one dream very well achieved and many, many more yet to come. So, always remember, be fearlessly you, and it's all gonna fall right in place. Thank you.